Hey there, amigos. Welcome back. This is part 3 of the mobile toolbox tour. Tonight we're going to talk about the bottom shelf with the cases, diagnostic tools. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I've got my customers video coming out this week, and then I have one repair video so far. And then, of course, where we'll pick up after this, we're going to do the bottom shelf tonight before we get into the cabinets and the drawers. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's start with the first case here. This is the terminal leads kit that I showed in the last video. Was a Phil's probe. I wanted to show this for people that don't know. This kit is great for when you're testing modules and stuff, so you don't hurt the terminals, you don't spread the pins or nothing. You just, there's a different size for just about everything you can think of. So that's what these do. I just wanted to point that one out first, because I really didn't say what it was in the last video. One of the great things in this kit is the variable resistor. This is great for the pellet keys on GMs when you're trying to bypass the key. So it works, unless you're doing I think it's number 15. That's resistance is like 11. I think this only goes up to 10. But yeah, this is great. The whole kit is great. These two kind of hand in hand. I got the Im508 first and added the XP400. Between these two, I don't know personally, but it's equivalent to the Im608 from Altel. So I don't know, but it's the programming of modules, keys, our immobilizers, keys, pulling the pin codes, programming remotes. These two together pretty much do everything and do a lot of GMs without fail. So between these two and the MaxiScope Elite from Altel, great for immobilizers and keys and such. This one here is the TS608. It's for programming the TPMS sensors. It will read the TPMS, the factory ones. You can actually tell the ECM or whatever module is actually looking for the TPMS, but you can actually tell the car where the new ones are at. You can copy and paste the info from the old one to a new sensor. So yeah, this is all TPMS. This one here is the MaxiScope. It's a 4-channel oscilloscope. I really don't use this one that much. It works on my laptop, and it works with my MaxiScope Elite. If I'm doing parasitic draws and such, I'll use it on my Elite, just so I don't have to go back and forth. More so, I've got the Pico, so I really like the Pico much better. But this one right here, like I said, this was my first oscilloscope, so I still use it, but just on certain things. These two kits, well, I think everyone knows what a power probe is. I really like the power probe, but this power probe kit came with, I don't know what they call it. It's a short finder, so it sends it's like a tone generator. It sends it down your wire, and then use this to trace the open or dead short. I will tell you, it'll find a dead short a lot quicker. It's probably a lot safer than the old methods of smoke testing, but sometimes, well, it's not smoke testing, but sometimes it's needed. If you have an intermittent problem, you might have to use the resettable fuses. Yeah, these kits, because I do a lot of wiring, is mostly what my jobs are every day. But yeah, this is really good kit. I got this one from Amazon. And this one is the AES Wave U-Activate kit. It's basically a relay bypass. This is, I think you call them boroscope. I don't know. This is the NTS 500. This is my second camera. The first one was a cheaper version, but I bought that on Amazon as well. This one, the clarity of it, you can see down the side cylinder through the spark plug holes, and it has a side camera with lights on both. The clarity is just unreal. This case here is a couple of the amp clamps that I have, along with my DVOM fuses for my power probe. All right, this one I just keep in the drawer. This is the cheap Harbor Freight thermometer, but it still works good. So this one is the flare. I use this for parasitic draws, looking at the cats on cars, catalytic converters. But yeah, the flare is great. The case, as with a lot of them, the cases I have, they order them on Amazon. Something to protect the equipment, that's all. This one here is a battery tester. It works when you have it hooked to the battery. Doesn't have power until then, but it actually prints you a readout, so it'll tell the condition of the battery. So if you want to attach it to your paperwork or give the customer a copy, it came with extra rolls of the printer stuff. So, and Noid lights, I don't use them that much. Normally use my scope on the rope, as Eric calls it, the test light. It has a way to amplify the light through this, and you can put it up on your windshield wiper so you can see it while you're cranking the vehicle. So I do like that. And this one is the last one in a row before we get to the boxes. Are torque sticks. They're a 1/2 inch. I use them on the Milwaukee impact wrench. I think 50 or 60, what is it? Goes from 65 all the way up to 150. It actually works pretty good. I got this after I broke a few bolts and had to struggle getting them out because that impact wrench has way more torque than I thought it would. So, all right, so I'm gonna wrap this one up. I'll see you on part 4. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one, amigos.